I have 10 minutes to get ready to go see my flower lady for our wedding ceremony. So I get to pick out our flowers this morning. So I'm going to do a quick, natural, no makeup, kind of my skin but better skin prep this morning. I'm going to start with the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion, and we're going to focus this on the high points just to get some color back into my face. Just to get a nice little natural glow. This is the color 903. That already added a really nice glow. Oldie but goodie. This is the Lumi Le Glow tint. This is a skin tint 100. Cool. This has a little bit of luminosity. Work this in to my skin. Just gonna get, so this will also give me some nice radiance. Really just gonna work this into the skin. And you can already see. And I'm just in natural daylight. I have a big window in front of me. You know and love it for the eyebrows, which I've already should have done NYX Lift and Snatch just to fill in a few of the sparse. I really need to get my eyebrows done. They're looking a little crazy. Just focusing in on those little areas, just very delicately, nothing crazy. I want to keep this look a little natural and give myself some color. I'm going to go in with the Lumi Bronze by L'Oreal. I have this in the color Sun-Kissed Rose. This is just a really pretty, you get a lot of product too, and it just goes on like butter. It's just kind of a rosy. I'll do some on my nose here, under there. It does have a little bit of a scent. So if you are a person that is aversion to scents, probably stay away from this one. And I'll probably just do just a little bit there. All right, let's blend. Note, this is the e.l.f. This is the Duo blush and cream blush, liquid blush. This, if you find this, grab this. It is wonderful. This side I use just for the focused areas. So I'm just going to kind of tap this in, always kind of tapping these products in, not swiping to disrupt, you know, or make patchy. Kind of adding that quick color, giving a little sun-kissed, tap that in, working that product, giving my eye a little lift, coming across so we can see what that's giving. Just really a nice natural finish. For my liner, I'm using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the color Ashton. I believe that is Ashton. Going to add a little there underneath and really staying away from the very corner. Let's do just a little bit of some bronzer in the eye to give it some dimension. We're going to use the Skin Enhancer by CoverGirl. I have this shade Toasted Butterscotch. I just love this product. It has a little bit of glow. I'm going to go in the N20, and I'm just going to kind of just give a little wisp here. Or no makeuping. This is LYS Love Yourself brand. This is Self-Love. This is a cream. And this is a powder. So let's just do a little whisper. Tap that brush into the cream. Just a whisper. Really there, just to give a little, and we're gonna come under that eye because usually we'll get color around the center of our face. Really looking like a no makeup to me. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know. The LYS Speak Love. This is their lip treatment. It's $15. Get LYS products at Sephora. It's a wonderful lip treatment. The Shine. For lashes, I use the YSL Lash Latex. This is my first go with this. So I do like the applicator. And that's it. It's the before and that's the after. I like it. It's not the best I've used, but it does have a nice natural finish. And I'll go in with the other side. And I will add a little bit of concealer to finish this look. Just a very little bit. I'm going to just go back in and take that N24. And I'm just gonna dust some of this bronzer onto the one side. And I'm going to take, on the side that I put the product, I'm gonna have that side up. I'm just going to tap underneath ever so slightly, just to give a little bit more dimension, keeping the product side that I'm putting that product up, and just dusting just a little shadow there. For concealer, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Here, just to give up my lips a little lift. So nothing too crazy. We can let that soak in. So just come in here. Just gonna give that a couple moments to soak in, and then we'll blend it out. N24, just kind of just gently tap and work this product down just to brighten up a little bit. You don't have to use this step. You can just go without. We have looks really nice and fresh and luminous. You don't have to feel like you need all of these steps. Definitely getting sunscreen loaded and put a little bit of a skin tint on. If you don't have the ones that I have, you can use what you have on hand or find an affordable option. But the L'Oreal products are amazing. So we'll blend that in a little bit. Just kind of tapping this product down. And then this one up. We will see. I'm so excited to go in and see what options we have for flowers. We're doing a beach ceremony, as I said, so really keeping it, the colors nice and bright and like ocean. Show you guys some pictures of what I'm looking at. So that just brightened that center of the face up, just to kind of soften these edges out. Again, any kind of like domed brush, this is primed already. We're just kind of softening everything so that it looks more cohesive. All right, guys, this is the final look. This is our no makeup look of the day, just looking a little fresh, more wide-eyed. I will see you here soon. I hope this helps in terms of a little tutorial. Let me know what your go-to items are for your no makeup routine. All right, bye. Have a good day.